In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from Dropbox to your computer. This is a simple process, but learning to download and store files correctly can help you keep your digital workspace organized and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access your Dropbox account. To do that, open your preferred web browser and head over to dropbox.com. There, you'll be greeted by the login page. Input your login credentials and click the sign in button. Once logged in, you'll land on the home page where you can begin navigating through all your stored files. Next, you'll need to find the specific file or folder you intend to move to your computer. Use the search bar if you have a large number of files, or browse through your folders to locate what you're looking for. Having a clear idea of what you want to download will definitely save you time, especially if your account is jam-packed with documents. Once you've found the file or folder you're ready to download it, simply right-click on the item and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the download option. This step is crucial as it starts the transfer process, enabling the file or folder to move from Dropbox's cloud space to your local computer storage. After you click download, your web browser will intervene by asking where you'd like to save the downloaded piece of content. Typically, a dialog box appears allowing you to choose the destination folder on your computer. It's important to select a location where you'll easily find the downloaded item later. Common choices include directories like documents, pictures, or downloads. Choosing a proper destination can also help you maintain a tidy and organized digital filing system. Finally, after picking the desired save location, hit that save button. Your browser will begin the download process. A simple progress indicator may show the status of the download. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few seconds to several minutes. Once complete, verify that the file or folder is correctly stored in the designated location on your computer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer files from Dropbox to your computer, making them accessible anytime, even without an internet connection. I hope this guide makes working with Dropbox a seamless experience for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and don't hesitate to explore more features that Dropbox offers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.